cousins are crazy, my cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing.
Very quickly, very quickly. The Iceland. But the ocean.
The island again.
The ocean, 3 weeks of the ocean is light, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Three months next to hurricane. 3 months next to the hurricane. If you cross this area, the ocean is black, like that. Muerto. It's blue.
Yeah.
Blue bright. But if you cross here next to the hurricane, it's black. Brown, black.
Wow.
We don't like that.
No.
But because if people of Puerto Rico look that, wow, the island is hard, okay?
Yeah.
Tiene una herida en algún lugar.
Muy bonita.
People of Puerto Rico, we don't have problem.
No.
Because if many people of Puerto Rico go,
Yeah.
and the other people live here, we have rum. We have piña colada con rum. What's wrong with rum? What is the problem? Yes, what is the problem? We have rum.
Problemas.
They used to come here, they used to go to the center of the island to look for the worst damages, and that's what they were reporting in the States.
Yeah.
But as you can see around, everything is concrete. There was debris, there was the poles,
Yeah,
the power poles were
normal
down.
stuff.
Yeah. Which is not bad, you know. You go to Haiti, that's the next island. So from that standpoint, but in this island, people live very comfortable, you know, air conditioned all the time, the Wi-Fi, they got great. I never take vacation, so I took vacation for 5 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there was no tourism. The tourism was as a of getting mad at it. What can you do if you get mad? So I just enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's vacations.
That's crazy.
I worked 7 days, so I was riding my bike. I wasn't burning gasoline. This is the only private beach in Puerto Rico. It can only be seen from here. This is the U.S. Coast Guard facility.
Oh, okay. Was there a lot of military during the hurricane?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, the sky was a display of military craft delivering water and provisions all the time to the center of the island.
Yeah.
If you heard that there wasn't help, I saw a lot.
Prove it.
Like you look like my oldest daughter.
Really?
Yeah. And
Dang, that's dope.
actually that's the meaning of a flag. I don't know if you knew that.